Hello, in this programming video we are going to look at the frame widget, which essentially allows us to group other widgets together. And if we were to do something to that, it would modify obviously everything else accordingly. So this is a great way of grouping like comment stuff together. So you can almost think of it like a window within a window, because instead of drawing to the window, we'll draw to the frame the different widgets will, and just that frame widget will be drawn to the window. So first of all, to create the frame, let's do something like frame equals frame and specify the window frame.pack. So this will seem very familiar in terms of the format. Okay, so that's going to be drawn to the window. And now to actually add something, so let's say if we add a button, so btn equals button. Again, you can add any sort of widget to this. So text I'm going to put as hello. So you draw it to the frame and not the window. And let's put this bracket in the correct place. And now you can just do like btn.pack like so. And we put a side as well, put a side as left. Please feel free to modify these values to learn more about it. And let's add check button as well, what we've covered in a previous video. So this equals interval. Again, I'm not really covering what each one of these do here because we've already covered them. It's more about the frame. And cd equals check button frame text equals text. Again, you put whatever you want. Variable equals cv. On value equals 1. Off value equals 0. Again, all of this doesn't matter really, because again we're just demonstrating how to group them. So height of, let's say 6, and the width of, let's say 18. And finally, just do cb.pack, so this packs it up and provides it to the parent thing that we're drawing to, which in this case is the frame, and that's being drawn to the window. So now let's run it. I'll get an error. So bracket, I don't have the bracket. I'm gonna run it. That's weird. Some don't have that window code, which is from the setup video. Oh, I'll put it back. Once it deleted it. Okay, equals tkinter.tk. Now let's run it, see what we get. Yeah, that's working. Everything's all grouped together. It's all on the same line. So we've got the hello button and the checkbox. So that's it. Obviously, you can add more than 2. I've just done it to simplify. Add as many as you want. Feel free to experiment, and as you learn more about the GUI widgets, go back to stuff like this and incorporate them within the frame. Experiment, check it out. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.